Hi, I'm Kevin Brown. I'm the owner of a company called Quantum Controls, and we've been an ABB AVP partner since 1989. My company specialises in the supply and sale and servicing of ABB drives and motors. When a motor breaks down, you basically have two choices. You can either repair it or replace it with a new one. Now this might seem like a simple choice, but in reality there are many factors to consider and many different opinions as to the best route to take. Thankfully, there are 3 steps you can take to help you decide. Obviously, every situation and every motor is different, so just look upon this as a rough guide for yourself. The steps we need to consider are the running hours of the motor, the cost of repair versus replacement, and the total overall running costs. So let's start with the running hours. Does your motor run fewer than 2,000 hours per year? If so, then the energy savings gained from a new high efficiency motor are unlikely to justify its purchase cost. In these cases, we usually recommend a high quality repair or rewind. However, if your motor runs more than 2,000 hours per year, you need to now weigh up the cost of repairing the motor with the cost of replacing it with a new one. When repair costs are 60% or more of the cost of replacement, replacing the motor could be the best option. However, where repair costs are below 60% of replacement costs, you need to move on to the final step. And for that we need to calculate the total overall running costs of both existing and a new motor. These can be worked out by using ABB's total cost of ownership calculator. This looks at the purchase cost, the cost of running, which is the energy consumed over its lifetime, and the cost of not running, made up of annual maintenance and repair costs. The new motor will have a higher purchase price, but much lower running costs due to the higher efficiency modern motor designs typically bring. They will also have a lower cost of not running as they will be more reliable. For the existing motor, we substitute the repair cost for the purchase price and evaluate the running costs, taking into account the loss of efficiency a rewind brings. The cost of not running will also be higher, as the older the motor, the higher the maintenance costs. Whichever works out cheaper is the best option in the long run for you.